Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question 34 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground level. Let this be the ground level, and the kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground level. Let A be the position of the kite and B is the point on the ground. Ravi, standing at the roof of the house, is holding the string straight and observes the angle of elevation of kite as 30 degrees. Let this be the building. C is the point where Ravi is standing and D is the base of the building. So from the point C, he observes the point A. Let's draw a line EC which is parallel to BD. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. From the bottom of the same building, that is from the point D, the angle of elevation of kite is 45 degrees. Find the length of the string and height of the roof from the ground. String is AC. We have to find the length of AC, and the height of the roof from the ground is nothing but this length CD. So let us take CD as X. EC is parallel to BD. EB and CD are equal. For triangle ABD, we know one angle and one side. So we'll take this to calculate BD. Tan 45 is equal to AB upon BD. Tan 45 is 1, AB is 60 by BD. So BD is also equal to 60 meters, which implies EC is also 60 meters. Next, let's find the length of this string. That is, we have to get the length of AC. For that, let us see this triangle AEC. Applying the cos ratio, cos 30 is equal to EC upon AC. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. EC is 60 upon AC. So AC is 60 into 2 upon root 3. Rationalizing this, we get AC as 40 root 3 meters. AC is 40 times 1.73, which is 69.20 meters. So this is the length of the string. Next, we have to find out the height of the roof from the ground, that is CD. For that also, let us consider this small triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, applying the sine ratio, sine 30 is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is this AE. AE is nothing but AB minus EB. That is 60 minus X. AE upon AC. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. AE is 60 minus X upon AC is 69.20. 60 minus X is equal to 34.60. So X is equal to 60 minus 34.60, which is 25.40 meters. That is, the height of the building is 25.40 meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.